I am Hatonn. I greet you, my friends, in the love and the light of our infinite Creator. I am here, my friends, that I may aid you, and yet I am here to sting you and to stimulate you as a gadfly. I am not here to give you comfort, in that I do not wish to put you to sleep, but to awaken you. You, my friends of this group, are very close to your desire. You, my friends, are close to the opening. Going through this opening will unite you with your desire, and then, my friends, the progress you will make will be much accelerated. But we must wake you, we must help you to become aware not only of the beauty, but of the freedom and of the responsibility of freedom. It is so easy, my friends, to forget that you are free. Your intellectual minds insist that you accept all of the words and all of the conditions. They insist that you accept hot and cold, and then you accept right and wrong, and then you accept each and every description of your illusion. And yet, my friends, this illusion is a cunning system of limitation. The limitation is designed to promote heightened awareness, strong emotion, and the resultant understanding. And yet, if you believe too strongly in the illusion, you will react blindly to it, and you will not understand, and you will not find the freedom, and you will not find your desire. And this is your responsibility, my friends. We speak of beauty to those who are beginning, for truly all is beauty, all is joyful, all is full of love. All these things are true, but they are more than true, my friends. They are actual. And in that they are actual, there is no beauty. There is no joy. There is only one thing, and that is the Creator. And yet, we cannot say to you that is the Creator and that is reality, for that is a word. We are speaking the very limitations that we wish to bring you past. Your desire is to come past these limitations so that you may express the infinite and incandescent love and light that is within you and is the Creator. And so we are here, in love and in light, to sting you, to stimulate you. For there is peace beyond peace, and there is understanding beyond all things. And these things must be found through the paradoxes of spiritual awareness, through the limitation of all that is a word. As you abide in meditation, you will come ever closer to the unity between yourself and your desire, and we are here to urge you towards that goal. I will transfer this contact after a short period of conditioning. I am Hatonn. I am sorry for the delay. It is a privilege to once more contact this instrument. We have stated that it is necessary to recognize the illusion. This is extremely necessary. The illusion is all about you, and yet is of no real consequence. Everything that occurs within the illusion you experience is caused by your thinking. The illusion is caused by the thinking of those that are within it. Everything that exists throughout the creation is created by thought, and the illusion that you now experience is created by thought. Everything that you are experiencing is created by thought. This is sometimes very difficult for you to understand, but nevertheless, it is true. Everything that you experience is created by thought. Everything that you will experience is created by thought. All changes between what you experience now and what you will experience in the future, these changes are created by thought. What are they created by? Thought. Therefore, my friends, there is only one thing of any importance. That is thought. And as far as you are concerned, my friends, the only thought that you are able to control is that thought which you call your own. Therefore, it is necessary to completely and totally understand your own thinking prior to dealing with anything else. Once you have totally understood your own thinking, you are then in a position to create much more thought. And what will you create, my friends? There is only one thing you can provide: an example. An example of thinking. If this is done by enough of the people upon your planet will achieve a state of thinking that is truly within the thought of our Creator. I am Hatonn. I am once more with this instrument. We are very privileged to be able to use each of the instruments. It may be interesting to you to know why we use different instruments at different times. The material, shall we say, of each person's mind and thoughts has a distinctive and characteristic turn or flavor. And these flavors are our tools for constructing those thoughts which we wish to say to you through these instruments. We know what the group desires, for we know ourselves, and we are one with ourselves and you. And so, in each communication, we attempt to fulfill the desire of the group as we find it. To do this, we have the choice of those who are instruments within the group. Depending upon the desire of the group, various of the instruments are preferable at various times. In the case of this communication, we desire to use the instrument known as Dawn because his turn of mind make it more possible to get certain ideas across in a certain way. We will attempt to conclude this message through this instrument. Due to her slightly different turn of mind, the information will come out slightly altered. It is still correct, and it will be verified by the other instrument that he was receiving the same information, but he could not get it precisely due to certain conditions. We were simply attempting to speak in two different ways of one thing. Through this instrument, we can talk about lack of limitation. With the other instrument, with a, shall we say, more naturally oriented background in language, we could talk more specifically. Through this instrument, we must simply say that your limitation, your illness, your lack, your need, of all these things are due to only one thing, and that is your belief that you are limited, that there are lacks, that there are limitations, that there are illness. My friends, what do you believe? Unfortunately, you are very tempted to believe in limitations of all kinds. If you could believe the truth, you would have no lack, no limitation, no illness, nothing of any kind except the unity which is the truth. My friends, you are perfect, and you are fulfilled. Your only mission is understanding and service. Understanding brings its own service. Therefore, your only mission need be understanding. The service follows of itself. Do not believe in limitation, and you will become unlimited. With this idea, I leave you. It has been my privilege to be with you, and I hope that I have been able to give you some thoughts that may aid you. I leave you in love and in light and in the presence of the infinite Creator. I am Hatonn. Adonai.